Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to deactivate Facebook account. So there's a full guide. So just open your Facebook app on a mobile device, and after we will just move in the right bottom corner option menu, just tap, and we will just scroll down. And as you can see, there's an option of settings and privacy. Just tap, and after there's an option account center. So just tap. So right now, if you just go in the account settings, so there's an option of personal details. So just tap for personal details as well. And the last option, as you can see, account ownership and control. So manage your data, modify or legacy, contact, deactivate or delete your account and profiles. So just tap. So right now, you will just have to tap deactivate. So just select your Facebook profile. So right now there are two options. Number one is deactivate account. So the second option is deleting your permanent account. So we will go for the deactivate. So just tap for continue, and after you will just type your Facebook password and just tap simple continue. So your Facebook has been deactivated successfully. So that's the full guide. Thank you.